Well, hello, this is Victoria Lowe and I'm back with another video, which of course means another color. I'm here to show you guys this beautiful deep rust color. It is absolutely stunning. I love the way it came out. The name goes by Dubai and I can't wait to share. Stay tuned.
Let's mix it up.
Mix it, lipstick, mix it. Mix it, lipstick, mix it. Mix it, lipstick, mix it. Mix it, lipstick,
let's mix it up.
Mix it, lipstick, mix it. Mix it, lipstick, mix it. Mix it, lipstick, mix it.
Let's mix it up.
Alright gang, so today's color inspiration comes from none other than the Gucci Janet Rust Matte Lipstick. I have a color similar to this in my line by the name of Shanghai, but when I seen this deep rust, I had to have a go at it. To me, it's one of those colors that can be worn anytime, and for some, this can easily be an everyday color. So I'm going to be using my world famous lipstick base and also my Isododecane remix. You can grab this from my website at Veryveelobeauty.com, and for the full recipe to this video, you can head on over to my Patreon and join us for a small pledge of $5 per month. You'll have access to this recipe along with some of my most recent recipes and all of my future recipes. So all my current patrons, I thank you so very much. I appreciate all of your love and support. Alright, so let's get into this video. First things first, we're going in with my Very Veelo Beauty lipstick base. You can grab that from my website, and I also have a video showing you how to make this base on your own. I'll be sure to link that in the description box below. So the first thing that's going in the bowl is the titanium dioxide. This is going to be our white pigment, and I'm just going to mix that in with my whisk. You can mix it in with a silicone spatula first, but I just went ahead and mixed it in with the whisk since it was not that much, and I blended it in just a little bit. Then I'm going in with some red FD&C number 40, red 40 alum lake, batch certified of course. I'll be sure to also link my shop with me video below so that you know what color additives, where to shop for your color additives and how to shop for them. Next, I'm going in with my FD&C red number 27, which is this pink powerful pigment, and what that's going to do is it's going to amp up the vibrance in this beautiful rust color. Next, I'm going in with my FD&C Yellow number 5 alum lake, and I am just mixing that in with my spatula first before I proceed to mix it in with my hand mixer. So the next pigment that I'll be adding in is the brown oxide, and as you can see, it's going to take it from this peach color to this beautiful rust color, and it wasn't deep enough for me, so I decided to go back in with a little more of the brown oxide just to deepen up that rust color, because I do have a pumpkin spice color that's similar to this, but I wanted it to be more of a rust, so I wanted to place more emphasis on, you know, those deep tones, and also while at the same time maintaining its vibrance. So here I am going in with some red number 27 alum lake to just amplify the vibrance in this color, because I feel like sometimes the color can lose its vibrance after you add in brown, so I just wanted to make it more intense. So I added in my pink pigment and I am satisfied. So here I am adding in my holy grail, my Kaolin Clay, to make this product go from a satin to a matte. Now on my Patreon, I'll be sure to have the recipe for both the matte and the satin for those of you who prefer this shade in satin, a creamy satin finish. And now I'm going to go in with my Isododecane remix. You can grab this from Veryveelobeauty.com, and then I'm just going to add that in. And what that's going to do is it's going to help our lipstick turn matte alongside the Kaolin Clay, and it's also going to help us to create a texture, if that makes any sense. Change the texture from that paste to more of a cream consistency. Yes, that's what I'm trying to say. So it helped me to correct my texture, and so my texture is no longer a paste, it's more of a creamy lipstick, and it is now ready for us to bottle it up. So I'm filling my syringe, and I'm going to fill my bottle, and just like that, we are done. I'm gonna allow that gold part to be my indicator for me to stop, but if you don't have that gold part on the top of your bottle, make sure that you're leaving about 1/2 inch of space for allowance for your doe foot wand and your stopper to go in with ease and without creating resistance from you putting the wand into the bottle. Here I am just lining my lips, and right after that I'm adding in this color. I'm putting on this color, I'm applying this color. It is so pretty. It absolutely turned out the exact way that I wanted it to, but of course, you know, my studio lighting would not let me be great. So here is a picture of the actual color. I love the way it turned out. If you want this color goes by the name of Dubai. It comes in a sample size of 15 milliliter bottle, as you see me fill, and also wholesale. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye.